Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chairman, CEO, BOC members, Deputy CEO, heads of HQ departments, and directors of GOs, and IHEC UNAMI colleagues, and colleagues of our partners organizations. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Director of UNAMI Office of Electoral Assistance, I would like to welcome all of you in this Lessons Learned workshop, which has been initiated by the joint efforts of IHEC and UNAMI Office of Electoral Assistance. Dr. Amir really wanted to be present in this event, but could not do due to some other pressing commitments he has to attend to. He does ask me to give these opening remarks and to relay his sincere apologies for not being able to be present in this event. He is, however, very confident that it will be a very productive workshop and requested specifically to convey to you that under the overall leadership of UNAMI SRSG, the Office of Electoral Assistance stands ready to follow up and support the implementation of the recommendations resulting from these workshops. The 2021 CoR election was an achievement for Iraq that was successfully conducted under leadership of IHEC with the technical assistance of UNAMI mandated by the United Nations Security Council. The road leading to such an important achievement was not an easy one, but IHEC's prudent leadership, commitment, persistence, and integrity successfully overcame all the challenges and problems and made it a huge success. We at UNAMI are very proud being part of this process and had very positive and productive working relationship and coordination throughout the process with IHEC counterparts. And here I would like to convey SRSG's congratulations for the job well done and assembling in Sulaymaniyah to look back and chart the future way for IHEC, which will continue to strive for impartial and professional elections in Iraq with full Iraqi ownership. We also like to thank the Iraqi security services who work hard through the High Supreme Security Committee led by General Shamari for ensuring peaceful conduct of October election, as well as comprehensive coordination with UN security structure. Despite this success, this enormous and complex process requires continuous improvement. How we can make this improvement? We must look into the past operations and activities, identify the strengths, weaknesses, and shortcomings, analyze the causes of the weaknesses and shortcomings, and brainstorm recommendations for turning them into strengths in the future processes. This is the main reason we are here for this Lessons Learned workshop. Honorable Chairman and BOC members, over the past few weeks, our colleagues at IHEC and UNAMI have had fruitful discussions in the joint preparatory workshops on legal framework, appeal and complaint process, election operational planning, public outreach and media, voter registration, training and procedures, procurement, logistics, field coordination, security coordination, and election information and results management. The summary of all these discussions will be presented to you and all the participants of this workshop by our IHEC colleagues during the next 4 days according to the planned agenda. We hope that after the end of this workshop and in the light of the final recommendations, a comprehensive plan to further improve the future electoral processes will be developed and implemented by IHEC. At the end, I would like to take this opportunity to reaffirm UNAMI's full commitment in supporting IHEC in the execution of the recommendations of this lessons learned workshop and under the lines of our mandate. Thank you very much.